You never know how a small act of kindness can have unexpected consequences. Here's a story about a butterfly and a young man. One beautiful morning, a young man was strolling through his garden when he saw a cocoon on a leaf. A tiny opening appeared, and a butterfly was trying to emerge. He watched for hours as the butterfly struggled to push its body through the small hole. But then it seemed to stop making progress. Feeling compassionate, the young man decided to help. He snipped the cocoon open with scissors. The butterfly emerged easily, but its body was swollen and its wings were shriveled. The young man didn't realize that the struggle to escape the cocoon forces fluid from the butterfly's body into its wings, making them strong and ready for flight. By removing the struggle, he unintentionally took away the butterfly's chance to grow. Struggles are a crucial part of growth. Embrace them because they make you stronger.